Okay, it's Coach Garey. I'm here to talk about the immune system. I had a lot of conversations over the past year with clients, customers, and folks asking about how the immune system works and what happens when you get a virus, et cetera, et cetera. How do we protect ourselves from the virus? All those things. All right, rolling. So let's go back to the basics. It's always good to go to the fundamentals and stick with first principles. That is the guiding light, is to take it from the ground up. The immune system obviously is a gift. It's a gift that you receive in your body that is a defense system against infection, pathogens, bacteria, virus, fungus, all sorts of environmentally dangerous things that may upset our system or cause us dis-ease, where we may become diseased. So that's what we want to look out for. The immune system is amazing, of course. So germs are everywhere. We know that. And those microscopic bacteria, some of them are our friends. And some of those bacteria are our enemies, and we got to distinguish between the two. You've heard it said that the immune system is actually 70% of it is in the gut. It's in the stomach, the intestines. We have all this flora in our gut that cooperates with our immune system in order to kill the bad guys and help the good guys to flourish. That's the whole point. We're not always looking at disease. We want to look at wellness. And the unfortunate thing, fortunately or unfortunately, however you want to look at it, the big deal is that when we're healthy, we take that for granted. It's easy to do because our heart beats without us thinking about it. We keep breathing, whether we're thinking about it or not, we keep breathing. And the blood keeps circulating, and as long as we can see clearly and we don't have a headache, then what the heck? What are we worried about our health? We're not worried about our health. Until the pandemic comes along, then everybody's worried about their health 24/7, which is also creating a lot of stress that hurts people and lowers the immune system. So we're going to talk about several different aspects of the immune system as we go along. The introduction is the definition of the immune system is to protect you against infection. So we'll examine that. If you have a question that we have not answered up till now, put the question down below. We will make a video for you.